This is the World Guinness record. Anyone who can lay this tire up with their two hands up are going to be rewarded with a sum of 50,000. So you can see how my boys try to lay this tire with their own power. The tire is mighty heavy. It's a tractor tires. So the tire is heavy in an extent that you can't even carry this tire up. Talk less of lazy it up. Oh yeah, you see that he is demonstrating his own way. So, but the final stage to lay this tire up, it's not easy. It's not easy. Even people try to see how it's going to be. Men in action, men is serious. This is the pure game. This is the pure game. This is pure game. It's not easy. My brother and sister, as you are continue to watch, please try to share this video. Try to share it. It's not easy. Anyone who can try it, let us do it. Okay, even people try to support in order to carry this tire up, still yet the tire is so heavy. It's heavy. Okay, this is the World Guinness record we are demonstrating here. We need a sponsorship. Anybody who can sponsor this game, we are also encourage a sponsor. So you can see another guy want to key in this game. He want to demonstrate his own way. Let us see how it's going to be. Okay, please share. I am Maazi-UC. Maazi-UC. You see another guy don't key up. Let us see how it's going to be. Let us see how it's going to be. See that even people are clapping for him. People are clapping for him. Let us see. He want to demonstrate his power. He want to show his power. He wants to show his power. It's not easy. It's not easy. It's not easy. See men in action. Men in heavy action. Even people are clapping, but the final stage, he cannot carry it up. Yeah. So you see this young man passing by, he saw what we are doing, he decided to key in. So let us see how he's going to demonstrate his own. With the sum of 50,000 naira, anybody who can go with to lay this tire up are going to be rewarded 50,000 naira. The tire is heavy, a quick tire. Okay, see it. You can see it. You can see it. Yeah. Oh yeah. Let us see. It's not easy. Share it. Thank you and God bless you.